Hey tubes, I got this STIHL. Someone gave this to me a couple years ago, and I tried to get it running, and I couldn't. It wouldn't stay running, and I just set it aside. And it's just been sitting around. So what I did to get it to run is there was some stuff with the valves that wasn't allowing to shut properly or something. It was stuck or whatever. I fixed that, and then the carburetor is all gunked up, and then it wouldn't stay running. So I finally got around to it, and I ordered a replacement carburetor, well, basically a tune-up kit from Amazon. It also comes with a spark plug, some power bulbs, a fuel filter, and fuel line. So let's get this started. So to get to the carburetor, it's here. It's a Torx 27, I believe. I don't have many Torx stuff, so I'm gonna have to use this quick Torx. Got it off, and this is the air filter. Not bad, but the kit didn't come with a new one, so I'll have to reuse that. Now here, this is going to be, I think, 8 mil. I have to get my socket for that. Yeah, these are 8 mil, but you need a deep 8 mil. And once you get those out, this will come off. Fuel lines are, let me see. Yeah, there's a breather right here. So you need to get those bolts off. Get around to the other side. Over here. Now we can get to the carburetor, which is what we're going to replace. So I don't normally work. I've never worked on a STIHL. I'm not a STIHL dealer. I'm not a STIHL dealer. I'm not STIHL certified. Nothing. None of that. Just a backyard mechanic, or backyard handy person. So we got to take this out, but we got to take the linkage off. So let me go see how that's done. Looks like I have to take this plastic cover off. Some more Torx bits. After 2 bolts that are on top of the 2 or 3 bolts on the plastic cover, you get to this. This is your valve cover. It's another Torx if you need to get to it to do stuff. But this is what we're going to be addressing today. This carburetor. We're replacing it with this one here, and possibly spark plug. The spark plug is actually made in Germany, it says. So got the one off. I had to pick it up the whole thing and turn it upside down. Now we can get this. Stupid me. I don't work on STIHLs. I didn't know that how you get these out is you just do that for the cable, and now the rest of this should come out. And I found this other way. I didn't see any video. I just kind of mechanically figured it out. That's just enough room to get that bend through that hole down there. This is the old carburetor. This is a STIHL, made in China. This carb, at least. So it came with some new gaskets, so I'll probably throw those on, and then redo the fuel line. Retest the fuel lines. I may not need to replace the fuel lines. They did give me this. So here's the new carb. Get the new one on. You gotta orient it right. We got to first get this linkage in which goes there, and then we can get the rest of it in. So it's, I believe, and not break it. Well, oh, and this does come out. I didn't think it did. Oh, that goes right there. So as we put this on, we put it into the this. Oh, let me see if I can get that out again. Yeah, we get that out. Like that. Put this on. Oh. Ah! As I throw the linkage across the room. So you put this the linkage in. Like so. And then as we put the carburetor on, we can slide the bend of the linkage through the slot, as long as I can see what I'm doing. I gotta bring this up closer to me so I can see. As I was bringing it in, I had to slide the linkage through that slot to get it in, and then get this up here, and then we'll put the throttle back on through that. Okay. Here's how the lines go. You got one line that comes out here, goes to there. Another one that goes to the primer up here. That's probably going to be your return line. This is probably your pump. This line here that comes off of the tank is your evap, and it goes into the back of the air filter box. Don't get confused with some of the other stuff. I did at first. So we put the evap back on, and put the carburetor here, cover back on. If we get all the holes lined up. That's what she said. There, and put the screws on. Oh, looks like I've got it back together. Do that, comes out. So just got to put some gas in it now. So you heard it kick off. It'll stay running as long as I'm hitting the throttle, which means I need to adjust the low. Now I got it running. It's done full choke, but as soon as I hit the throttle, it dies. So, and it comes off choke. Let me put it on half choke. Let me see if I can do that and start it. Half choke. So I got some tuning to do. So I got some tuning to do. This thing hasn't run in many years, so. But it's running. That's the best it's run ever. Later.